Welcome to Kids Entertainment. Today we learn the present and past tense. Let's start. I eat bread every day. Present sentences. I eat bread every day. The past sentences. I ate bread yesterday. I ate bread yesterday. Present sentences. I go to work every day. I go to work every day. The past sentences. I went to work yesterday. I went to work yesterday. Present sentences. I read a book every day. I read a book every day. The past sentences. I read a book yesterday. I read a book yesterday. Present sentences. She played tennis every week. She played tennis every week. The past sentences. She played tennis last week. She played tennis last week. Present sentences. The cat sits on the mat. The cat sits on the mat. The past sentences. The cat sat on the mat. The cat sat on the mat. Present sentences. The dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. The past sentences. The dog barked loudly. The dog barked loudly. Present sentences. I am happy. I am happy. The past sentences. I was happy. I was happy. Present sentences. She writes a letter. She writes a letter. The past sentences. She wrote a letter. She wrote a letter. Present sentences. They play soccer. They play soccer. The past sentences. They played soccer. They played soccer. Present sentences. He runs every morning. He runs every morning. The past sentences. He ran every morning. He ran every morning. Present sentences. The short line is visible on the screen. The short line is visible on the screen. The past sentences. The short line was visible on the screen. The short line was visible on the screen. Present sentences. She walks to the park every morning. She walks to the park every morning. The past sentences. She walked to the park yesterday. She walked to the park yesterday. Present sentences. The sun shines brightly today. The sun shines brightly today. The past sentences. The sun shone brightly yesterday. The sun shone brightly yesterday. Present sentences. He eats an apple for lunch. He eats an apple for lunch. The past sentences. He ate an apple for lunch. He ate an apple for lunch. Present sentences. I eat an apple for breakfast. I eat an apple for breakfast. The past sentences. I ate an apple for breakfast yesterday. I ate an apple for breakfast yesterday. Present sentences. The artist paints a beautiful picture. The artist paints a beautiful picture. The past sentences. The artist painted a masterpiece. The artist painted a masterpiece. Present sentences. The cat plays with the yarn. The cat plays with the yarn. The past sentences. The cat played with the yarn. The cat played with the yarn. Present sentences. They are going to the store. They are going to the store. The past sentences. They went to the store. They went to the store. Present sentences. We sing a song. We sing a song. The past sentences. We sang a song. We sang a song. Present sentences. The children laugh joyfully. The children laugh joyfully. The past sentences. The children laughed joyfully. The children laughed joyfully. Present sentences. He writes a letter. He writes a letter. The past sentences. He wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. Present sentences. It rains heavily. It rains heavily. The past sentences. It rained heavily. It rained heavily. Present sentences. The dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. The past sentences. The dog barked loudly. The dog barked loudly. Present sentences. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. The past sentences. I felt happy yesterday. I felt happy yesterday. Present sentences. The flowers bloom in the spring. The flowers bloom in the spring. The past sentences. The flowers bloomed in the spring. The flowers bloomed in the spring. Present sentences. I am watching a movie. I am watching a movie. The past sentences. I was watching a movie. I was watching a movie. Present sentences. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. The past sentences. She was singing a song. She was singing a song. Present sentences. They are eating dinner. They are eating dinner. The past sentences. They were eating dinner. They were eating dinner. Present sentences. He is working on his project. He is working on his project. The past sentences. He was working on his project. He was working on his project. Present sentences. The cat is sleeping on the couch. The cat is sleeping on the couch. The past sentences. The cat was sleeping on the couch. The cat was sleeping on the couch. Present tenses. We are going to the beach. We are going to the beach. The past tenses. We were going to the beach. We were going to the beach. Present tenses. I am 50 years old. I am 50 years old. The past tenses. I was 50 years old last year. I was 50 years old last year. Present tenses. I eat an apple or a banana. I eat an apple or a banana. The past tenses. I ate an apple or a banana. I ate an apple or a banana. Present tenses. I walked to the store. I walked to the store. The past tenses. I walked to the store yesterday. I walked to the store yesterday. Present tenses. She is eating dinner. She is eating dinner. The past tenses. She was eating dinner when the phone rang. She was eating dinner when the phone rang. Present tenses. She walks to school. She walks to school. The past tenses. She walked to school yesterday. She walked to school yesterday. Present tenses. He plays soccer on weekends. He plays soccer on weekends. The past tenses. He played soccer last weekend. He played soccer last weekend. Present tenses. We study English. We study English. The past tenses. We studied English yesterday. We studied English yesterday. Present tenses. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. The past tenses. She sang beautifully at the concert. She sang beautifully at the concert. Present tenses. He plays the guitar. He plays the guitar. The past tenses. He played the guitar at the party. He played the guitar at the party. Present tenses. We eat dinner at 7 p.m. We eat dinner at 7 p.m. The past tenses. We ate dinner at 7 p.m. last night. We ate dinner at 7 p.m. last night. Present tenses. They travel to different countries. They travel to different countries. The past tenses. They traveled to Italy last summer. They traveled to Italy last summer. Thanks for watching.